Today we're going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter I. To practice writing our letters, you may practice writing by using your finger and writing the letter in the air, using your finger gently by tracing or writing on your learning device, or if someone is there to help you at home, you may use a piece of paper and any type of writing utensil of your choice. Let's begin. This is the uppercase letter I. Uppercase I has 3 steps. The first step is to draw a straight line down from our top line to our bottom line of our writing space, just like this. We stop and we lift and we come back to the top. We do another straight line across, going to the right, just like that. Stop, come back to the very bottom and do that same step again. We're going to do a straight line to the right once more. Again, wanting to line up our lines as much as possible so they are even. And that is how you write the uppercase I. Getting your finger ready, let's do it together. Step 1, straight line down. Stop, lift, come to the top. Step 2, straight line across to the right. Stop, come to the bottom. Repeating step 2, but on the bottom line this time, straight line to the right again. Great job. Now it's your turn to show me on your own. Go ahead and write the uppercase I now. If your uppercase I looks like mine, you did it correctly. Here is the lowercase I. The lowercase I has 2 steps. The lowercase I begins on our middle line or dashed line of our writing space. Step 1 is a straight line down. Stopping, coming back to the top. This time, step 2 is just a simple dot right above our line. And that is how you write the lowercase I. Let's do it together. Get your finger ready. Step 1, straight line down. Stopping, coming back to the top. We want to line it up with our line, and we're going to do a dot right above it. And that's how you write the lowercase I. Now I want to see you do it on your own. Go ahead and practice writing the lowercase I now. If your lowercase I looks like mine, you did it correctly. Great job. Now, let's review. We're going to write both the uppercase and lowercase I together. Let's start with the uppercase I first. Fingers ready. Step 1, straight line down. Stopping, coming to the top. Step 2, straight line across. Stopping, coming back down to the bottom for step 3, which is another straight line across. Fantastic. Moving over here to the right, get your finger ready. We're going to practice writing the lowercase I now. Here we go. Step 1, straight line down. Stopping, coming to the top, leaving a little bit of space. Step 2, doing a dot right above our line. Fantastic job. Now it's your turn. I want you to do it all on your own. Let me see how you write the uppercase I on the left side of your screen now. If your uppercase I looks like mine, you did it correctly. Great job. Now let's try the lowercase I on the right side of our screen. Fingers ready. Go ahead and write the lowercase I now. If your lowercase I looks like mine, you did it correctly once again. Great job. This is the end of our lesson today in learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter I.